Hello guys, this is me Rhythm back with another video and you are watching multitalented YouTuber. And today I have something very interesting, like hell of interesting. I was in shock to see this product with me, and I give a shout out to Virat Deal for giving me this product for a review. And if you want to buy anything from iron to speaker to earphones, everything you'll find it there. I will link their link on the description, and every product I review here I will link down the description to Virat Deal, because it gives more friendly service than any other out there. Because yes, I want to give you the best, and for that I work very hard. So I never do this at the beginning of the video, but yes, please do subscribe to my channel because I need it now. So now moving on to the review. So come on guys, let's explore. So guys, when this product first came to my table, I was in shock. So let me remove the plastic. And what do you think when you see this speaker at first? Small speaker? That's what I thought. Exactly. Such a small speaker. What is it gonna do? And I was shocked. There was another piece they were using, my friends were using, and I was in shock with to hear that, and I wanted to unbox this. I found this product thanks to Virat Deal. And yes, just go below, and if you like this product you need to order it. So I'm just gonna unbox this thing now. I cannot stop myself from unboxing. So what does this thing say at the first? Just one sticker, EWA A104 wireless audio. So that's look at the box, it's premium. The box itself is premium, and I don't know about the speaker. So let's just unbox this thing. So look at the build quality of this, even this one. What do you expect more from? I don't want to say anything, and I will move on to this one after a bit. So just let's see what this comes with. So you can remove this top to unveil these things. So it comes with a charging cable. It comes with a manual inside. We have this manual, and we won't need it actually. So I'm not gonna take out the manual, and just we'll now move on to the product. Guys, I said that I won't go to the manual, but look at how they pack the manual. It receives an honor at this show. I have to do this. So it says EWA A104, and it says about the packing, what you get, and button and interface. What it says: press twice to switch into selfie mode under Bluetooth pairing. Are you this one will work as a remote for your selfie? I mean, yes, the world's developing. A speaker that can be changed into remote, and it can play wireless. Oh, hell yeah. We need to do something about this. And now button interface, again this and that. With USB you can charge it and all. Quick start guide, and you just connect your things through Bluetooth and just pair it. And there are other informations. I won't go through that in actually, but I will go through the specifications. So here it says battery 500 milliamp hour, RMS 3 watt, frequency 100 to 118 kilohertz, SNR, and then size is 48 into 38.5, playing time 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay. Charging time 2 hours. So yeah, that's enough for me. People how much will you play sound? You can just connect it and play. Such a small thing. Look at it in my palm, and you expect it to run for a lot? Don't expect that, guys. Bluetooth frequency 2.4 to 2.48 gigahertz, and Bluetooth protocols and all. Okay, let me keep this inside again. Let me move everything aside and go on to the actual unit. So look at it. I mean, how small can this be? And now let's listen to the audio. So I'm gonna bring the microphone here to see the first audio. Are you joking? Look at this sound, like listen to this sound. Okay, let me connect it with the phone. Guys, it has its original name, EWA Audio A104. So it's an authentic piece, so if you want to have it, you can have it. I can say it just now, even without playing, because this proves the authenticity of the device, giving its own name to the Bluetooth. Yes, that's something. And connected for media audio, and it says it's also like for the media like input. So because it has selfie remote function. So now let's play some audio. Okay guys, salute to this device. How can it pack that sound in such a small speaker? So you listen to it yourself. You can organize a party and go out there and say to your friends, this is what will conduct your party. It has that sound in it. So I don't know guys. Look at the back. Guys, this is the speaker to have. I am telling with my personal experience. Look at the size. It will go on your pocket to anywhere you want it, and you can like show to the world that what a small thing can do. Like, I am gonna enjoy this for a while, and I am sure about that. So let me play other sounds. I mean, look at the size, and this was like banging on while the audio was playing on full sound, but there was no distortion, the main thing.
Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sunshine bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when I'm lonely up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love.
So guys, if you are searching for a Bluetooth speaker, this one is the speaker to have. This one I am suggesting you just go below, click on the link. Virat deal, the best service you can get. The place, I think the only place you will get this thing, EWA A104. So guys, now if you are watching till now, you just need to go below and subscribe, because now I am on YouTube. I need more audience. I need to bring more things to you. I want to give you the best. So guys, this was a trailer and more coming. So this is me, Rhythms, are signing off. Have good life, have good everything, and stay tuned to the channel. Thank you.